The spot removal tool is useful when you need to remove a small part of the image. If you need to remove a large portion of the image, tools like Photoshop may be more suitable. In image 12, you can see our subject has a small bruise on her leg which we're going to attempt to remove. You can access the spot removal tool in the right-handed column in the Develop module, or by pressing Q on your keyboard. If you scroll the mouse up, you'll get a larger brush, and if you scroll the mouse down, you'll get a smaller brush. You'll see in the right-handed column that you also have the ability to feather the edges of the brush and change its opacity. The default method for the spot removal brush is Heal mode. This tries to intelligently blend any adjustments made with the surrounding pixels. Clone mode will just simply copy the source to the destination. Clone mode is generally not as useful as Heal mode. Let's use Heal for this particular scenario. Click on the bruise and paint around the edges until it's completely covered in white, and then let go of the mouse button. If all goes according to plan, Lightroom will automatically source from a clean part of her leg, and you'll end up with a clean result and the bruise is now gone. Sometimes Lightroom isn't so smart about where it sources the sample to heal from. If this does happen, just grab the source part of the brush and move it to something more suitable. Once you're happy with the result, press Q again to exit the tool. If you need to make adjustments, press Q once more and you should see a grey dot or pin. Click on this and you'll be able to access the source and destination of the spot removal tool once more. If you need to remove the brush, click on the grey dot first and then press delete. If you'd like to try something a little bit more advanced, move to the 12.5 image Spot Removal Hard and try and remove the stickers near her right hand. You'll require multiple spot removal brushes in order to do this.